first quiz. So what we'll do is after each lecture, I will say you guys a quiz, so you guys will basically be responsible. I'll scroll down for you guys to see all the questions, but in the end, you will have to time yourself because you are not going to do it with my video since you are not able to scroll up and down. So what happened is I will be showing you each question for a certain amount of time, and after I show you guys that, which can be a proofreading time, you will start to time yourself. So you can time yourself for this quiz with 8 questions, so I will allow you 8 minutes. So 1 minute for one question should be enough. So you can time yourself, and you can navigate the video, so you can go forward and back. So you can maybe if you are unsure about question 2, you can finish question A and go back for a check. So this is what we'll do, and right now I will be showing you the questions. So here's the first question. Okay, you can scroll down later on, you can pause the video later. Okay, here is the second question. Okay, third question and fourth question. Okay, fifth question. Sixth question. Seventh question. This is a filling diagram kind of question. They should be common in my course. And lastly, eighth question. Okay, so that's about the 8 questions you have to do. Okay, so it should be straightforward. So this video will end here. So in the next video, I will actually post up the answer. So I will just post out a pretty short video showing the ABCDE basically. So basically, you can see for each question you have 5 choices, so it will be ABCDE. So in the next video, you are able to check your answer. For example, if you feel the responsiveness, you'll be B for question 7. Okay, so that's about it, and time yourself 8 minutes to do the question and check your answer for the next video. Okay, so see you in the second lecture. Bye.